Coming from all floors of the structure, even on the backside. Charlie, offside's gonna be street side. It's gonna be work at Get Arrow and water supply will be attack mode, standby for 360. All units, vegetation 91 on scene. We have a 3-story single-family dwelling, smoke and fire showing all over on the Bravo side. Outside's gonna be street side. Yeah, let's get a pre-connect and knock it down.
Company, go ahead, catch that hydrant. It's gonna be 20 seconds on.
Okay. Thank you guys. Hey, hit the ground, hit that there, and then just start knocking it down. All units, vegetation 91, 360 complete. We have a working fire. We got fire coming from all floors of the structure, even on the backside. Charlie, offside's gonna be street side, where vegetation 91 is. We're having attack mode. I'll be taking fire attack.